A shift in vehicle pricing, car and truck prices take a surprising turn. Think electric cars are the future of affordability? Hold that thought. While Tesla slashes prices like a Black Friday sale, Ford's playing hardball with your wallet. Yes, you heard it right. It's a roller coaster ride in the car market, and we're here to give you the VIP pass. In a world where car prices usually only go up, Tesla's flipping the script. But why? Is it a marketing stunt? Or are they struggling to keep up with the Joneses? Meanwhile, Ford's betting big on their F-150S, hiking up prices like they're selling gold bars on wheels. It's a tale of two strategies: electric dreams versus diesel dominance. Hey there, speedsters and spendthrifts. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today we're diving into a world where the only thing more unpredictable than the 0 to 60 is the price tag. We're talking cheap thrills, electric spills, and those good old gas guzzlers. From Tesla's price plunge to Ford's financial flexing, we're taking a deep dive into the surprising twists and turns of car and truck pricing. Whether you're a tech-savvy electric enthusiast or a die-hard diesel devotee, this episode has something for everyone, so buckle up, because it's not just the cars that are moving fast in this industry. It's the prices too. Now rev up your engines and let's roll into today's electrifying episode. Tesla takes a price plunge. In a move that's got the automotive world buzzing like a swarm of bees around a honeypot, Tesla has decided to slash prices on its star players, the Model Y and Model 3. It's like finding a designer suit on a discount rack. Unexpected, but oh so welcome. The once sky-high priced Model 3 now comes with a more down-to-earth tag. The cheapest variant is $2,000 less, now at $38,000. The Model 3 long range? It's had a haircut too, now at $47,000 instead of $49,000. And the speed demon of the lot, the Model 3 Performance, has shed nearly $3,000, racing down to $50,900. But why is Tesla turning into the Santa Claus of car prices? The answer lies not in the North Pole, but in the reality of market saturation and dwindling sales. It's like throwing a party where everyone's already had their fill of cake. The excitement just isn't the same. Tesla's dealing with the fact that those who wanted their cars probably already have them parked in their driveways. And now, to keep the wheels turning, they're lowering the drawbridge to let more buyers into the Tesla kingdom. The electric vehicle market, losing its spark. Once the shining beacon of automotive innovation, electric vehicles, EVs, are now finding themselves in a bit of a tight spot. It's like when the new season of your favorite show starts losing its plot. The initial hype just starts to fizzle out. The EV market is no longer the exclusive playground of Tesla. It's like a theme park, where new rides and attractions are popping up everywhere. Competitors are stepping up their game, offering their versions of electric dreams, which means Tesla's solo ride is getting a bit crowded. Customers, too, are a finicky bunch. The allure of electric cars is waning for some, like a novelty gadget that loses its charm after a few uses. People who jumped onto the EV bandwagon are now hopping off, trading in their silent, battery-powered steeds for the good old growl of a gasoline engine. It's a bit like that fancy juicer you bought during your health kick phase. Exciting at first, but eventually you just want a regular sandwich. The EV market's changing landscape is a tale of evolving consumer preferences, fierce competition, and the stark reality of trying to keep a business charged up in an increasingly diversified market. Tesla's price cuts in this light aren't just a sale, they're a strategy, a way to keep their cars rolling off the production line and into the hearts and garages of new customers. It's a game of chess where every move counts, and Tesla's playing to win. Alright, auto aficionados and price tag detectives, let's shift gears for a quick pit stop. If you were the head honcho at a car company, would you rev up the prices like Ford or hit the brakes on costs like Tesla? Drop your strategy in the comments below, and let's see who's got the blueprint for the next auto empire. Buckle up. because after this we're flooring it back into the high-speed world of vehicle pricing. General Motors' strategy, a balancing act. GM, traditionally known for its gas and diesel vehicles, reported significant deliveries in the third quarter of 2023, amounting to 674,336 vehicles in the United States, a 21% increase from the previous year. This impressive figure, however, is not without its electric component. GM sold over 20,000 fully electric vehicles in the first quarter of 2023, contributing to a net income of $2.4 billion on $40 billion in sales. This showcases GM's strategic balancing act, navigating between the burgeoning electric vehicle market and its established stronghold in traditional vehicles. GM's approach reflects a cautious but optimistic embrace of electric vehicles, EVs, aligning with market trends without abandoning its profitable legacy models. This strategy is particularly interesting as it contrasts with Tesla's more aggressive focus on EVs, highlighting a diversity in approaches within the industry. Ford's pricing strategy, riding the high tide. Ford's strategy, particularly with its iconic F-150 pickup trucks, takes a different turn. In 2023, Ford increased the prices of some F-150 models by a substantial $6,000 to $7,000. This bold move indicates confidence in the brand's market position and consumer loyalty, especially considering the F-150's status as a bestseller in America. This price hike could be interpreted as Ford capitalizing on its strong market position, betting on customers' willingness to pay more for a trusted brand. However, there's an anecdotal twist. Some consumers faced with these steep prices are opting for alternatives, like a customer who chose a used Ram truck over a new F-150. This decision-making process underlines the complexity of consumer behavior and the risks involved in aggressive pricing strategies. Long-term market predictions. Navigating uncertainties. Predicting the future of vehicle pricing is like trying to forecast the weather in a land of shifting sands. One certainty is the influence of external economic factors, such as inflation, which could significantly impact vehicle prices. If inflation continues to rise, we might see even higher price tags on vehicles across the board, electric or otherwise. Another factor is market saturation and consumer preferences, which might lead to price adjustments, as seen with Tesla's price cuts. As more players enter the EV market, competition could drive prices down, or conversely, technological advancements and increased demand could push them up. It's a game of economic chess where every move counts. Quality control in the automotive industry. Ford's bumpy ride quality control is an essential aspect of any manufacturing process, and in the automotive industry, it's a cornerstone of brand reputation. Ford, in recent times, has faced challenges with quality control, leading the world in recalls. This situation presents a paradox. While Ford increases prices on its popular models, it simultaneously grapples with quality control issues. These quality concerns could potentially dampen consumer enthusiasm, affecting sales and ultimately pricing strategies. It's a reminder that in the race to lead the market, maintaining high standards of quality is not just a matter of pride, but a crucial element of business sustainability. In conclusion, the automotive industry's pricing strategies reflect a complex interplay of market dynamics, consumer behavior, and economic factors. From GM's balanced approach to Ford's bold pricing and Tesla's price cuts, each strategy tells a story of adaptation and anticipation in a rapidly changing market. As we look to the future, these narratives will continue to evolve, shaped by innovation, competition, and the unpredictable winds of global economics. And that, my fellow roadsters and dashboard drummers, is how the rubber meets the road in the fast-paced world of car pricing. From Tesla's pricing U-turns to Ford's full-throttle financial leaps, it's clear that in this race, the only constant is change. If you've enjoyed this turbocharged tour through the twists and turns of automotive economics, don't forget to fuel up on more content by hitting that subscribe button. Join us at Car Computer Exchange for more high-octane insights, where we don't just keep up with the latest trends, we lap them. So, rev up your clicking finger, subscribe for a front row seat in our journey, and let's ride the waves of the ever-changing vehicle market together. Until next time, keep your engines purring and your curiosity at full throttle. Drive safe, spend smart, and stay tuned for more from Car Computer Exchange.